Dear Banka, I hope you are having fun up in the heavens. I wonder how beautiful it is. I wish I was there so I could spend more time with you and have fun. No matter what, you will always be in my heart. I love you so much, Banka. I really miss you. Please watch over us. Love, Nini Panini.
Dearest Banka, not a day goes by that I don't think of you. All the good times that we had, I will cherish and hold in my heart forever. Please visit me in my dreams. Love and miss you so much. Love, Reno. Banka, we miss you. I carry you in my heart every day, and I know you're always going to be looking down on us forever. I promise to take care of this family and to continue to make you proud. Save me a spot up there, Banka, right next to you. I love you. See you soon.
To my dearest Banka, there aren't enough words that can express how much I miss you. I cry at the thought of not being able to hear your voice, feel your warm embrace, see your smile, but most of all make you laugh. My heart is broken without you here with me, but I know that you are in a much better place. I love you so much, my Banka. This isn't goodbye, but see you later. Love your number one, Heavenley, Siniva, Anoai.
One day we will be together. One day God will call me home too. But until then, I will hold you in my heart, and you will fly with the angels up above. One day we will be together. One day God will call me home too. But until then, I will hold you in my heart. You will fly with the angels up above. For now I say goodbye, 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 my Banka. For now I say goodbye. It won't be long till we meet again. For now I say goodbye, goodbye.